Good evening. My name is Meryl Ann Villanueva. We are going to present tonight our project proposal entitled Developing an Advanced Facilities and Equipments, Improving Students' Integration on Physical Education. To give you a brief overview, our project proposal will cover the following: rationale, executive summary, benefits, objectives, scope of work, and our final blueprint. So let's start with the rationale of our project. Okay. Access of proper facilities and equipments for physical education remains a significant challenge for Talisay City College students. Students often face barriers such as limited space and shortage of equipments to be used. Physical education is important in the overall learning of the students. However, there is no PE facilities in our school because of space limitation. We only rely on the basketball court, a mini basketball court that is unupdated and insufficient. So this issue is really a hindrance for the students' learning. Advanced PE facilities and equipment are the foundation of effective teaching and learning process of teachers and students. This gap emphasizes the urgent need for an effective solution and ensures that Talisay City College students can have the proper facilities and equipments they require. The effective solution that we have come up with my group members is to build and develop a PE building that consists of facilities that we need. This is a worth it investment that gives TCC a long-term benefits for students and to the school itself. Next slide, please. Our project aims to develop a PE building with proper facilities like gymnasium, fitness center, dance and aerobic studio, and the multi-purpose room. These facilities will give students a versatile indoor space for their practical activities such as sports, cardiovascular exercises, dancing, martial arts, and other activities covered by the PE program. This can promote an effective, engaging, and safe PE programs that support students' physical, mental, and social development. Not only that it serves as a motivation to the students, it can also provide safety for them while they are doing their practical exams. That is all for the rationale. Next is the executive summary discussed by Ms. Bacalso.
Good evening, everyone. I am Bakasto Katrina, and tonight I'm gonna explain regarding the executive summary of our project proposal. As we all know, that Talisay City College doesn't have proper facilities and is lack of equipments for students when it comes to physical education. Facilities, supplies, and equipment provision are important aspect of physical education in sports management because excellent program is the keyword in physical education in sports competitions, and this requires well-equipped, good playground for training. Standard facilities and equipments are essential prerequisites to good and impressive performance. The facilities of a school um, impact overall learning process as well as the mental and physical growth of the students. This can also affect the academic performance of the students to some extent. Every school should be equipped with proper facilities for students and teachers, such that an environment conducive to learning is created, especially in Talisay City College. To address this issue, as what Ms. Villanueva said, we recommend and implement gymnasium, fitness center, dance and aerobic studio, and also multi-purpose room as their space during physical education activities. This proposal focuses on the long-term impact of attending of a students with inadequate PE facilities. And that's all for my part. And let's proceed to Chavis, Ina. So, good evening everyone. I am Ina E. Chavez and I'm going to explain about the objectives of our project proposal. So, first is to promote students to become more physically active on days which they have a physical education time. So, we encourage students to become more physically active, and as we build this PE facility, we also plan to make their practical time more engaging and more enjoyable. It also involved introducing them a variety of fun activities to cater different interests of students, such as team sports, dance, and also outdoor games or outdoor activities. The second one is to improve and enhance students' engagement and boost student participation during their physical education time. So again, we plan to make their PE class or PE time or practical time more interactive. We also aim to capture the students' interest and motivate them to take an active part of their practical time. In that approach, it will help students to develop their positive attitude towards their towards physical activity and also promote better health and fitness. So the third one is to develop their skills, knowledge, and behaviors of healthy active living, their physical fitness, and also their emotional intelligence every day. So we offer a variety of educational and physical activity. We also teach students about the benefits of the regular exercise, proper nutrition, and also maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So in addition to that, those activities can promote teamwork to the students to help them manage their emotions and can work well with others. So we all know that most of the students are depressed and having anxiety that leads them to think negative thoughts, and as they think negativities, it also leads them to do negative things. That's why physical activity can help them to divert their negative thoughts and engage in some physical activity and enjoy. These three objectives that I came up are for the students to understand the importance of being active, engaged, and healthy. So on the days which they have, on days with physical education, students should be more physically active to boost their physical fitness and also their mental well-being. So their active participation are also important to enhance engagement and making the most of the learning experience. So in addition to that, or on top of that, developing their skills, knowledge, and behaviors relating healthy living and emotional intelligence is also crucial for their overall growth or personal growth and to maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. So these habits, these lessons are also essential for the students' long-term health and of course for their personal development. That's all for the objectives. Next reporter will be Nika Almasin. Good evening, everyone. My name is Nika Almasin. I explain the benefits of our project proposal. En- Enhancement student engagement. The availability of quality facilities and equipment will enhance student engagement in physical education activities. Having a quality facilities, having a quality facilities and equipment in an educational institution can help students become more involved and interested in their learning. Next, improve learning outcomes. With the proper resources, students can effectively practice skills, receive hands-on training, and engage in, in a variety of physical activities, leading to enhanced physical fitness and skill development. Proper resources, such as quality facilities and equipment, enable students to practice skills, effectively receive hands-on training, and engage in physical activities. Next, promotes and health and wellness. The development of a fitness center, gymnasium, dance studio, and multi-purpose room provide students with opportunity to engage in diverse physical activity that promote health and wellness. The development of facilities like fitness center, gymnasium, dance studio, and multipurpose room in educational institution provide students with the various and opportunities to engage in physical activities and promote health and wellness. Foster and social interaction. The engaging in team sport, fitness classes, and recreational activities in a conducive environment, students can develop teamwork, communication skills, and mutual respect, fostering a sense of belonging. Foster social interaction, engaging the teamwork, engaging in team sports, fitness like classes, and recreational activities in industrial environment foster the social interaction among the students. Next, support holistic development. In availability of enhanced facilities and equipment supports and holistic development of students by addressing their physical, mental, and social needs. Support holistic development, advance the facilities and equipment support the holistic development of students by addressing their physical, mental, and social needs. That's all. Next is Majikawa.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Marjitawa, and tonight I will tackle about school comfort. So, the cost of the total of the total project cost is 14,085,000. So, the source of fund, Liupugnay. So, the source of fund is first, alumni and community support. Second, fundraising event and activities. So, please go next. So, project timeline. First, phase 1, planning and preparation. Week 1 to 13. Phase 2, design and planning. Week 14 to 26. Phase 3, procurement and pre-construction. Week 27 to 39. So, phase 4, construction and installation. Week 40 to 60. Phase 5, tasting, training, and handover week 61 to 65. So, next reporter will be Warren.
So this is our this is the final blueprint of our project proposal. Our project proposal is physical education building where we can use to do our PE activities. This physical education building has 3 floors. Each measures 20 square meters.
20.
First is, as you can see, gymnasium is located in ground floor where sports like basketball, volleyball, and other are being held. Next, next, dance and aerobic studio and multi-purpose room is located in first floor. And lastly, the second floor where fitness room is located and with segmented restroom.
So that is all for our project proposal. Thank you and good evening. Good night.